Hi everyone, hope you're all having a good day. Welcome to this new video on the Baguette Investor channel. Today I'm going to talk a little bit more about my strategy. So right now we had a nice drop on the cryptocurrency market, as you can see with the altcoin index. We had a 26% drop on all the altcoins, and that drop got me out of many positions that I took recently. It even took me out of this position Wing, took me out of EOS, took me out of Link, took me out of Band, and took me out of Ethereum. So I got a lot of liquidity back. Only lost 10% of my whole portfolio valuation. If you didn't follow my weekly update, I told that on the weekly updates Monday. But what's important right now is how am I gonna enter again on the market? Because I'm not gonna let all that liquidity slipping into my USDT portfolio. I want to enter back on the market, but entering back on the market is complicated because you want to enter at the right moment with a managed risk, and you don't want to do have bad decisions that will cost you a lot of money. So how do I enter back on the market? Well, first of all, I need to make sure that the market will be bullish when I enter. So as you can see right there, the market structure is really readable. We had a bull market that was very nice with small corrections, but that was going up really nice. This is the 4-hour altcoin index. There we had a top of the market. We see that we stopped going up. We made what we call a double top. So the market could not make a new high. And what that means, it means that the buying side does not make the price, does not allow the price to go higher. So there is an unbalance between buyers and sellers. On that market phase, there are more buyers than sellers because the price is going up. On that phase, the buyers and the sellers are are equivalent, so the price stays in a range. And what happened there was the buyers went away, and the sellers took all the markets for them. So we had a huge and quick drop. It went very fast, and now we're seeing that it went up quite fast. The question is, will it go up again or not? And what I'm going to do, I'm not trying to predict what it's going to do, I'm trying to do as things work. So you can see that on the previous drop, that was much stronger than the actual one that we had right now. It was 34%. And you can see that we dropped very strongly on, I don't know, it was maybe 1 or 2 days. And after that, we were in a big range market all here. And I don't want to be on the market during a range market. I want to be on the directional phases. I want to be invested here on that phase and here on that phase. I don't want to stay in the range market, because if you invest your money into that range market, it means that your percentage of success will be very low. It will be around 50 to 40%. Whereas your success on those kind of phases is going to be much higher. You're going to trade your favorite setups, and you're going to make, I don't know, 80 to 90% of success. So how do you start going back on the market? What I do is I simply wait for the market to make a great structure that I can read and enter again. And if the market does not make a structure, I just do not enter. I wait for the structure. And that allows me to have a clear mind, to not be fearful, to be able to sleep at night. And if you wait until the breakout here to happen, your probability of things going up again are much higher than if you buy at a random place into the range. And even worse, your money will be here invested with a risk investment, but you won't be able to trade the other opportunities if you don't have any money left. So what I do is I simply wait for the market to print something that could be bullish for me. And what could be something that I'm looking for? Well, you saw this kind of pattern that we had a drop, then a range market, and then we went up and had a breakout. So I can either buy the breakout here, I can either buy the retest here, I can either buy the new breakout here. I don't know, there are so many possibilities. My real point here is to be able to trade with the lowest risk and the highest reward possible. This is all what trading is about. So I'm just gonna wait until it does something. I don't know, maybe it's going to go down, range like this, went up again, volatility will shrink a little bit, and then it will make a breakout. And I will buy the breakout. And that would put us to the 29th of April. Or it will correct even further, and we will come back to the previous lows right there, and we're going to have to wait 2 or 3 weeks for the market to get bullish again. I don't know. But I will not invest when the times are uncertain. This is completely useless for me. I don't like doing that. I am waiting for the market to print a structure. This is what you need to understand. And as you can see, previously we had an amazing structure on that period. And if you look at coins or other indexes, it's the same thing. Your structures are very, very obvious. You know what I mean? So do you want to be invested in that range where you don't know what the fuck's gonna happen? Or you want to be invested on the breakouts where the probability shifts to your side? You know what I mean? Do you want to be invested on that period, or do you want to be invested on that period when it's ranging? There are people who know how to trade those ranges, who know how to position themselves. I don't know. So when I don't know something, I just don't do it, and I stick to what I know, because the best and the most important thing, guys, is to, I'm gonna write it in big letters, protect your capital, guys. This is the most important thing. This is the thing you work, so you need to always protect your capital. Never lose money. This is the thing that I always tell myself: protect the capital. Always, always, always protect. Never lose money. Always manage the risk. So I hope you are going to be successful on this market. Hope the market will go up and fast again, and hope we'll see some kind of new bull market and new parabolic runs in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Hope I learned a thing or two to you. Have a great day. Goodbye. Thank you very much.